Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit those likes and write down there in the comments if you see something in here you like, or if you have any questions. The Audi community is a very strong community. Now today I'm back in my 2005 Audi A6 with the 4.2 liter V8 engine in it, and I'm not working on it. I just need to move it over to my driveway. So but the thing is, she's dead. Nothing happens. None of the buttons work. Completely dead. It's been sitting here for months and months and months and months. So the battery's gone. So I went out and I purchased one of these battery boosters. Now, my question is, will this thing work on this vehicle? I've seen tons of videos on them. It should be all right. This is the GB70, the 2000 amp. It's not the X model, so it's not the updated model. Now, if you guys seen in all the videos, it comes with the fancy box. Comes with the pouch, the instructions, attachments for your vehicle. I've got the other wire inside the house because I had to charge it. So let's get to it. Now, the first thing you want to do before you jump your car that's been sitting a while, you check your fluids, check your water, check your oil, check stuff like whatever you can check, you know what I mean, because you don't want to start it up dry. So yeah, that's about it. Now this car, most cars that have the battery stashed somewhere will have an emergency jump location. I can't find it on this car. I've checked underneath the cowl, I checked everywhere underneath the hood. Maybe there's something wrong with this car, I don't know. It's a weird thing. So that means I got to crawl into the trunk to jump this thing. And we are back in Florida, and it's mighty warm for February. I don't know. I'm sure somebody in there will correct me. But let me set up what I got to do, and we'll get right to jumping. Hopefully, if it works. Okay, for those who don't know, you should have some handles. You see the red tab is up. That means it's unlocked. Yeah, I'm starting to sweat already. It's pretty warm out here today. Like I said, I couldn't get into my trunk, so I'm doing this the hard way. If you notice, you'll see the little plastic tabs holding each side of this liner. You just lift it up, mine are ripped away, and then you just pull it out, and you'll see your battery way back there. I didn't bring a flashlight with me, but luckily this unit has a light, so I can show you guys a little bit more. So let me crawl in there and show you guys what's going on. All right. Turn the light on the unit. As you can see, I located my positive terminal. You should see a plus either on the battery or somewhere around there. There's a plus labeled with red and a negative labeled with black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this jumper and see if it'll start. It takes a lot of power to jump these cars, so hopefully it works. So let me set this up. Okay, folks, I got my positive attached and I've got my negative is not directly on the battery. This vehicle has a post that can attach to with a unit in there. I don't know what it does. I never bothered looking it up. But it's there. I'm going to use it. So what you do is you power on the unit, let it cycle through its thing, from what I understand. And like I said, once these units do not detect your battery if it's under a certain volts or power. So what you're supposed to do is hit this exclamation point on there, this little red one, and it's supposed to bypass any safety and start doing an automatic boost, and I can hear magic happening. So how's it work? Oh yeah, I've got all kinds of stuff happening here. Whoa, she worked. It took a second to get going just because how long it's been sitting down. But yeah, the unit worked. Imagine that. So yeah, let me go unhook it and wrap this bad boy up. Okay, everybody. Well, I managed to move the car around out of the side of the house to the driveway because, like I said, I got to do some stuff to it. I got stuff coming in the mail. But this unit actually worked. If you guys don't know about this stuff, it's slow charging because it uses the micro USB to charge, or one of the attachments it comes with to plug into your lighter or a power source in your vehicle. And supposedly it charges faster that way, which is crazy to me, but that's how it is. And these are your out. You can charge your phones, your tablets, whatever, and get power for any other device you might need for a few hours. But I am surprised. Like I said, it usually takes a lot of power. When I don't have a pump jump pack with me or means to jump start a car, I have to hook up 2 vehicles to that battery just to get this thing cranking. So that's pretty good. I am very surprised. But like it says, it'll do 8.0 liter gas and 6.0 liter diesel. This is a 4.2. So it should have worked great. Now, it also shows me I still got good power. So I should be able to jump a couple more cars. I do have a couple more cars. I've got a car behind this car. And I've got another car that's not here at the moment that I can probably let die and try out. I might do a 3-car one day just to see how many cars I can jump. But like I said, very surprising. Very surprised. A little thing like this can jump this big ass battery. Please, I apologize if I curse or if I insult. But anyway, thank you all for coming. Thank this company. I bought this on my own. There's no sponsorship. This is my money that went into this. So you know what I mean? I want to show some appreciation for this company here. Now, unless I say I'm being paid or whatever, unless it says it right here on the top, or this is all out of my pocket. I paid $200 and something dollars for it, and so far it already paid for itself. Now I just got to get a battery. I've got a couple things on deck for this car, so we'll get rolling again. We'll get this bad boy rolling again. But all right, guys, you guys know the deal. All the ones that have been here before know, be good to each other, share the love, and peace out.